Back. I am eating this breakfast that I made, and it is delicious. My coffee is not ill. I tried a different creamer than I normally use because they didn't have the creamer I wanted, and I did not like it. It tastes like straight coffee, and I don't like that. I like sweetened coffee. I usually like to use an oat creamer. I tried a different one. It did not work out. I have caramel and chocolate in here. It's not helping. I'm gonna have to go pick up the creamer that I actually like. So I guess I'm gonna be drinking some orange mango juice this morning. Forget the coffee. Y'all, I'm moving. I have not mentioned this to anyone, but I am moving. I have not really posted about it. I kind of hinted on it. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know where I'm moving. But we're moving, guys. I think you guys are gonna learn where a little later after this video. But we need a pack. We have people coming to my house to pick up some of my furniture because I'm selling everything. I'm just starting over. I'm going to a new area, new state, everything. I want newness all around me, okay? So I'm pretty much trying to sell everything. Whatever I can't sell, most likely will be given away. And we're just gonna trust God, period. Like, everything's not figured out. I don't know all the details of everything, but I know I'm just gonna trust God. He always sees me through. I'm still here, and that's what we're gonna do. So let me eat my breakfast and then let's pack. To be honest, I am nervous. I'm really, really nervous because it's what I've wanted. It's what I prayed for. It seems like everything lined up and happened. And I know I said I'm just trusting God, but I was nervous to make this. When I got a job offer and, you know, everything ended up lining up, I was like, do I sign the dotted line? Fear a little bit, just not having everything together. I actually visited Texas like a while ago. Now I know where I'm going. I actually visited, and when I went to go visit, I went apartment shopping and it wasn't very successful, so I was a little discouraged from that. So and I'm packing a whole bunch of stuff in garbage bags because it's gonna be easier to fit in my car, and I don't feel like carrying all them boxes. But it was not as successful as I would have wanted it to be, which was a little discouraging. So I got a call about a job sooner than I wanted. I honestly didn't think I was gonna get any offer until like October, but it happened sooner, and I didn't have like all my details figured out on where I'll be. Like, I didn't want to rush into anything because I actually want to get something that I know that I'm gonna like and where I want to be at. So I was a little nervous, but you know, I was reminded that God's taking care of me this far. Why would he leave me now? So I'm really just focusing on just trusting him, trusting his timing, trusting everything's gonna work out because I know it will. So that's what we're doing. I am packing my apartment, y'all. I'm literally, I think I just told y'all I was selling everything. So just trying to figure out like what to do in regards to that, but not stressing about it like I was in the initial stages. So I'm getting this whole bedroom set someone's picking up today. Good morning, guys. I didn't realize my camera was on, but good morning. Today is Monday the 16th, I believe, and I'm clearly headed to go shoot some content. I needed some extra pictures for the next 2 weeks because literally I have to move in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna try to shoot a lot of content today. I'm gonna try to do videos tomorrow, and then hopefully I have time to like edit this stuff so I can, you know, be active on my platforms and share this journey with y'all. But I am gonna try to vlog a lot of it and share it with you guys. I didn't do this when I was moving from, you know, transitioning to grad school and transitioning to my CF, but I want to share this journey because, you know, hopefully to help someone else. I know I've gotten a lot of DMs and questions about moving and where to move, how to find a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna try to share bits and pieces of my journey, and hopefully it helps you guys. So but today we're just shooting. Okay, I sold my bedroom last night. I'm gonna show y'all that when I get home. I sold my couch. They're picking it up Wednesday. So everything's like lining up. Like I was scared. I was like having second thoughts. Like I was questioning, like, am I really ready? Am I worthy? Am I this? Like, and then I just prayed about it, and now I'm at peace with everything, and I'm just trusting the process. But we gotta shoot content still because, first of all, I like interacting with y'all and all that good stuff. So I just, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm taking some time this morning. I'm off today and tomorrow. So today's gonna be a shoot day, and then I got a to-do list, and we'll just kind of go from there. So I'll try to be active. I'm eating, this is breakfast, a macro bar. This one's actually pretty good. It's very chocolatey. It's like double chocolate and peanut butter. It's a lot of chocolate, and I don't really do chocolate like that. So that's that piece. We did a 3-strand twist out on the hair. This is the only twist outs I like to do. 3 strands do the best. Skin update. Skin is still, you know, breaking out. I think she's doing better, but I don't know what she's doing. We just following the routine. My new esthetician, I gotta text her today now because I'm not gonna make it to my next appointment because I'm gonna be gone. So I'm probably gonna just get a new dermatologist, a new esthetician when I move. But I'm gonna stick with this Face Reality that I talked about because they have people in all over. So I'm gonna stick with them and see how that works out for me. Do that for, like I said, I'm gonna give it 2 months. I'm gonna give it 2 more months of following their routine, and if I don't see a difference, then we'll do something else. My esthetician, my dermatologist wanted me to do this facial treatment, but it was like $1,500, y'all. I will pay for clear skin, but $1,500, like, let me try this other thing first, because I don't want to put out $1,500 up front. Like, it ain't even making payments. It's like $1,500 straight up. Like, that's my rent. So we'll see. Of course, I'm gonna do a better job of just simply vlogging and keeping y'all along on the journey. I know I'm rambling right now, so I'm getting off of here because 4 minutes of rambling, y'all probably already clicked off. So let's go shoot.
You're my best friend.
We have 2 more photos to take, so I'm gonna get changed, switch through in the car, and get ready for those so that we can get back home before 12 o'clock. That's the plan. All right, y'all, sorry, I am not feeling great today. It's that time of the month, so some of y'all know how that goes, but I just cleaned out my closet. Someone's gonna come buy all of this. This is my favorite closet setup. Like, I think the apartments I've been looking at have custom closets now, so I won't have to do this. But yeah, they're gonna buy this. Like, I'm so grateful that things are just being like gone. You want that? Sure, you can have that. You can have that too. Take it all. And so this is how my room is looking now. All my little stuff just everywhere. I'm like not using boxes. I'm just gonna use bags and put all this stuff in the back of my trunk because, child, I do not have the time to be carrying boxes out of my house. I am not feeling good, and I'm still having to move around. But yeah, I don't feel like carrying boxes around my house or out of my house. I live on the 3rd floor and I do not have any elevators, so no, I'm just gonna carry bags. Everything's going in the bag for the most part. Whatever I do not get rid of, the folks don't come pick it up. I'm gonna call, like there's a thrift store that's close by. They're gonna come pick up everything, and then we're gonna be gone, y'all. Next Monday we're gonna be out of here. Oh, it's bittersweet. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Monday, and forgive me y'all, I was working the last couple of days, so I know I did not film or record anything, but today's Monday. I'm gonna probably use today and tomorrow because I'm off, and just kind of show y'all what I'm doing as we are packing, getting ready. Episode 1 of Diamonds moving to Texas. But today I actually am getting a facial done. Y'all know I'm trying to be on top of my skin game, trying to maintain facials and all that skincare stuff monthly because we want my skin to be better. So I'm about to do that. I'm sticking with the face and Botox that I talked about, the face reality. I don't know what kind of facial I'm gonna get today, but I am taking y'all in here and I'm going to record or whatever I end up doing. Guys, I am recording on my phone because I left the house and realized I left my camera at home. I hope it's at home. I don't know where that camera is, but it's not in my car. But today is Tuesday. It's gonna actually be the last day of the vlog. I just got through shooting some content, so like my car is like clothes everywhere. Yeah. What else did I do today, this morning? I did not show you an update on my skin. This is kind of how my skin is looking with makeup on. I'll do like a wash routine tonight and show y'all the products that I'm using tonight so y'all can see that. As y'all go through with me on my clear skin journey. Yesterday after I left the esthetician, I literally had like 3 appointments. I had to get like stuff notarized. I had to get like a physical scanned off for my new job. Like I had so many things to do, and I was like back to back to back, and when I got home I passed out. I was so tired. So that was my Monday, which hence why I didn't do anything. But let's see how much we're gonna do today. We gotta go home, we gotta pack. I was gonna go make a stop, but the place is closed now. Y'all, I got up and got to my content this morning. Okay, I started at 9 o'clock and I finished at 10. Like, what, sis? Like, sis is doing it this morning. So we're about to go home and look at my list of things I need to do and go from there. So let's go. We did not eat breakfast this morning. I thought about stopping and getting something, but I don't know how I feel. Okay, I have never been a first watch. It's my first time, but I'm gonna try their pancake, pumpkin pancake breakfast. I do like pumpkin pancakes. They're really good. I've had it before, so I'm gonna try that and see what it tastes like. Okay guys, hey, I am back home. It's been a long day since the last time I talked to you guys. I did not make it to the grocery store. I was supposed to go to the grocery store. Y'all, I ended up like some shredding from this truck like flew up, flew down, hit like the bottom of my car. I ran over it. I could not even do anything else. And like it just messed up my car. And at first I was like so upset, crying, like just everything, because number one, who wants to be involved in any type of car incident? And number two, like I just feel like I have so much on my plate. Y'all don't understand what I'm literally going through mentally and physically, emotionally, preparing for this move. Like it has been very stressful. So I'm not I'm okay. I'm not upset about the car because it's literally just a car. It's just I'm upset about something else being on my plate, because now I had to call the cops, I had to call insurance, I have to do all these other things to figure out getting my car fixed, and I'm literally leaving in 5 days. So realistically, 5 days is not enough time, I'm positive, to get my car fixed. So my car is most likely not gonna be fixed before I leave. So that's where my mind is at. I'm not caught up in the vehicle, I'm more so caught up in just another thing on my plate. I'm trying to handle other stuff, and then this comes. And I don't know the lesson in this moment just quite yet, but when I do learn this lesson, I will share it with you guys. I think sometimes, you know, things are all going good, but the devil be really trying you. And I've now kind of just calmed down, and I'm just like, Lord, you're gonna have to handle it, because I can't handle it. I'm not about to stress myself out anymore. I'm not about to add anything else to my plate. Like, God, this is really your car anyway, so I'm gonna let you figure it out, and you just let me know what I need to do. Like, that's kind of where I'm at now. So just have like a headache now too. Like I got a legit headache. But it's gonna be okay. God is still good. I'm still blessed and highly favored. God is still in control. All that. I'm just tired. Here's how my skin is looking, y'all. So I just got out the shower. I use my Face Reality products. It's like a system that I have to use. So that's what we're doing. This is where we at. I don't know, I'm making these faces. I feel like it looks worse than what it really is, but I guess it really is worse, so I don't really know. Ciao. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I finished my YouTube videos. I kind of finished everything I needed to do, so that's like the end. Nothing really else to do today or tonight. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I will see you guys in the next get ready with me packing, moving video, whatever I end up doing. Bye guys.